Hey y'all, I just wanted to show you really quick how to help filter out some of these stupid spam, like DM for promo comments that I know a ton of us get. You'll want to do this from your desktop so you can, you don't have to do it from your desktop, but it does make it easier to just be able to copy their comment. And then you're going to block this person, right? And then you're going to go over to your settings and you're going to go down to where it says how others can interact with you, and then you want to go down to comments because you're going to manage the words that people are allowed to post. Okay, and then we have a comment filtering, hide comments that contain any of the words, blah blah blah. Okay, and you can see I already have this long list that I've been adding to, but it's been really helpful. You put a comment in between, a comma in between the words or the emojis and submit. And that's going to help you get rid of a lot of these annoying loser accounts. And you definitely want to block them before you add that, or else, their comment disappears. But yeah, so I hope that helps you guys. And I'm going to go back to my words real quick so you can maybe pause it and just copy them, the ones that have been targeting me. And they'll change because I'm in Texas. I get a lot of this Texas vibes, promote to Texas icons. So you'll probably get stuff from like California, Arizona, wherever you're from. But I hope that helps you guys. Send pick, and promote, and DM. Those are some big ones right there that have helped me block a lot of these busters.